Excuse me, sir. Are you a seagull? I think he's on the fence about it. G'day, and how to draw a seagull. Hi, and welcome back to How to Draw a Seagull Part 10. First up, step number 1, remove your dodo, cockatoo, cockatiel, cocktail pea, cocktail. Just remove it. Then you have to remove your poultry expectations. Get your poultry expectations, because that's the chicken. You know, the word for poultry is, another word for chicken is poultry. Poultry? Get it? Because it's tall and it's a coconut tree. Coconut, laugh at that one, did you? The most important thing though, of course, is not to do what I'm about to do right now. See? Gull. That doesn't look like a seagull at all. It still looks like a dodo. Maybe the beak's too big. Oh no! Whoops! It's Disco Johnny! But is the thing at the top of the back of your legs. Let's play a song that goes a little something like this. Just a little something. Hey, have you ever tried playing the ocarina and the guitar at the same time? Neither have I. Let's go. You know, if my nose was long enough, I'd be able to hold it and blow and cover one of the, it'd be great. Oh man, it nearly works. Sorry? Hello. Yes, excuse me. Yeah, I've still got it. Yeah. Do you want to see it? Okay. Slinky! Look at my neck. I look like a tree. Let's not think about the tendons in our necks. Next up, of course, we have a larger phone. We're railing against this joke. Look at that's funny. Hi, just quickly, this anti-seagull tutorial was brought to you today by envelopeofawesome.com. Thank you very much. If you want to see more crazy stuff, go to www.envelopeofawesome.com. Thank you. A creative subscription for your creative kid. It's full of cartooning and stuff. I swear this is the last time I'm going to sit down because my legs are a bit sore. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. We need to give Cassandra her next bunny rabbit. And they're just hiding here in this bag. Like all bunnies should. Hey, Rocky. Watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat. And by hat, I mean garbage bag. It's a girl. Oh, it's a girl. Hello. How are you doing? To wrap this up. And also the video. I have wrapping paper, I have a bunny, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. That's the better angle. Go to sleep. I used to work at a deli. There we are. Now, we just need a banana fastener. Is this the banana fastener? No, this is the banana slower. Oh look! It was the banana fastener. And that's how part 10, how you draw. Oh wait, I forgot to do the thing. There we go. We can cut that together, it'll be magic. Why do people do that? It's like kissing a frightened spider. Where's my sticky tape? I found my sticky tape! There's nothing like getting a little bit of sticky tape trapped in your moustache. Ouch! Thank you so much for breathing. And remember, be kind, be curious, and don't draw seagulls. And stay awesome.